Alright, you seen this video so you know what it is. Update 2.0. So this is just follow up from the first update. And this is just to show you that. Remember I was talking about the door things? They are here. Now the update is, which I didn't talk about, is marker lights. I have 4 of them, and I'm gonna show you exactly where I'm gonna put them. Just so you know. Alright. These, I'm gonna put these right in each bay. So I'm gonna put one here. These are amber. Put one here, one over here, this one here, and the next one right there. Oh, those are starting looking beautiful. I'm about to cry. Yep, 2 holes. I have to drill 1 hole so this can go in the back. Yeah, hopefully I can get these installed today. I mean, it's simple stuff. I'm gonna try to install them, wire them up, connect them to the same center channel, which means that when the headlights go on, these will come on. I bought this extra stuff here. It's like a splitter, like 1 to 6. And the reason why I do this is because I'm gonna need to send all my amber ground wire. This is gonna be the pretty much the, what do you call that? The distribution block. That's gonna distribute to say, all right, go to the chassis for turn signal, brightness, or dim. So the idea, let me see if I can get it out there. Hold on, give me a sec. So the idea is I'm gonna use one side for the left turn signal, one for the right, and then I'll connect all my peripherals on each of the corresponding stuff. That's gonna be awesome. Don't need to do this today, but I really want to get this in, and those pins. Squeezy. This is gonna be fun. So I'm here, just sitting in the car. My wife is at an appointment, so I'm just chilling out here in the parking lot, waiting. And I figure I can use this time to just explain the process with this, which is the marker lights. I have my little guy with me. Want to say hello? Say hi. Hi. Alright, he says hi. So yeah, the idea with these, they're gonna go in the front. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bore a hole in the front so this can feed through. But with this length of a wire, it won't be long enough for me to work with. So I'm gonna use one of my, this is an 18 gauge. Well, it's 4 wires of 18 gauge in one. I'm not sure if you guys can. Yeah, you go. Pretty much. So I'm just gonna strip these. I'm just gonna tie them into each other. Just extend them, then bore the hole, push them through so I have enough to work with, and then screw them on. That's pretty much the process. I'm gonna do. These have 4 wires in, so I'm gonna use 2 wires for one. I have 4 lights, so I have 2 sets that I'm gonna use. So let's get to it. So now that I have all 8 wires, I'm going to use 2 for each. I already stripped the ends down. Bought some extra of these because I figure I'm going to need a lot more. These are 18 gauge and these look pretty much the same. So I'm just going to go with green. 16 to 18 just to be on the safe side. Don't think I'm gonna use all of these anyway, but it's good to have these. So have a little Brillo torch, a lighter, but obviously my baby's in the car, so I'm gonna go outside, get these all sorted on together. And probably the next clip is gonna be just me showing you it all sorted on together, and then I guess after that we'll be working outside. Alright guys, so they're all put together. Those are all tested with those extra tail. And I'm just gonna test this one for you guys to see. You know, I always, whenever I deal with electrical or lighting, always test every step of the way. I don't think I'll stress that in any video. So that's to show you what it looks like. Which is a pretty cool thing. Like if you look at it from the side, you can see 9 lights, but with the diffuser they add up top, it makes it look like one straight line no matter what angle you look at it, which is pretty awesome. So as we are going to work on the front of the truck, bear with me, I only have one hand and my little helper down here, so bear with me if I have to keep a lookout, right Mr. Cairo? Where's La Luz? Yeah, more La Luz, but we haven't connected them yet. We might not connect them today, but for the people watching the video, they're gonna see just one video. See. Yeah, exactly. Alright guys, so the idea is put it in between here, up here, here, and here. So if I run the wires through, obviously I'm gonna have to pick up the wires somewhere here, which means that I have to take this piece off, which means I have to take 1, 2, all of these pins out to get this off. So let's not waste any time and I'll get to it. I should get like one of those stands that probably can like sit you up here and do like a time lapse so you guys can see the whole thing, but I'm sorry guys, I guess it's gonna be a case where I show you what it is. And just to show you how you do it, you literally just, show you the example, you just pop one of these up. If you want to get up, come on, up. Okay, I guess I can show you, but pretty much these just slide up and you just pull them out with your hand. Pretty simple. Come on, one of you guys, come on, don't fail me. Somebody, anybody. Oh, there we go. Just pops up and just pull. Oh my gosh. You just pull it out. There you go. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500 more to go. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh. Whoa, so everybody, it's off. And as you guys can see, the orange line, I'm holding my child in my other hand, so I can't really move this one. The yellow line is coming from the right DRL and turn signal light. This one is coming from this one right there. And any more? Nope. So pretty much if I bore my hole through here, it's obviously gonna come out. Gonna come out somewhere right about there, Mr. Curry. You got it right there. So I'm gonna drill some holes and see where it comes out. Pull the hole, the strings on the other side, and make some connections going. Alright, let's drill some holes and see how it goes. So after a battle, if my thing focuses, you guys can barely even see it, but the wires are in. It's getting a little dark. I just need to like connect all the positive together, all the negative together. I'm thinking I could tie it into the same wire that's kind of that, which is this green wire here, instead of running all the way back to there, so that I can have an extra wire for anything I need. But if you guys look at it, see what it would look like. One right there, there. So next phase is going to be connecting them and see how they all line up. This is going to be an awesome one. But hey guys, so I had to take a little break, but as you guys can see, all the lights are in, and those are the wires coming in. I just tied them together and I just ran them to their own. And in here, is a mess. Jeez. I just tied to their own fuse, inline fuse. I figure I have 4 inline fuse, which I already have 4 specific places that I'm gonna use it for, so I already know that's gonna work. The challenge, or not the challenge, is the slight factor that I had was running the negative line to the ground or running through the dimmer switch, which I think when it was running to the chassis, which is the full brightness, it was way too bright. So I ended up running it to the dimmer switches. But yeah, sorry I couldn't get to incorporate you throughout the whole step. I even thought this process was going to be a quick one, or maybe I should have edited this or video it so it could make all my stuff that I wanted to do in one video. I wanted to get the door stuff and the lighting and everything in this one video, but I'm not sure how long this video is already at. I think I'm already at like 9 minutes, and just to put the whole process of oops, I think I cut there. But yeah, what I was saying, that I didn't want it to start the whole door latch thing and then it's another whole process. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call it like a sub-series of the main series. I'm gonna call this probably series like an update series, like update 1, update 2.0, update 3.0 throughout the process. But yeah, had to take this off. It was easy, just run the wires this way. Negatives comes up, positive come out, all tied together. And the moment that y'all have been waiting for. Oh, let me back up for y'all. So, ready? 3, 2. Oh, I have to lock it first. 3, 2, 1. Wait, what? Why is it not on? That's strange. Why is my light not on now? I think I know what happened. I think I know what happened. And I know what exactly happened. So, alright guys, so after figuring out what was the problem, I think this should be it. So, locked. Alright, you ready, set, and that's it right there. Oh, the lights matching with that. I'm telling you, these were way brighter when I connect them to the chassis, but I'm liking how it looks. Not bad. Can't wait for that light down the bottom. I'm enjoying it. I ain't complaining.